Here we are at Steve Alden's. He's about to fly his kit.
So, do we want to count the birds?
26. That's up to you.
Huh? No.
I mean, right. We're on the honor system. As I go, they the whole problem. So 20 birds. We're on the honor system. Cut them out.
Yeah, so
Yeah, looks like a cock.
Let me see if, let me see here.
Hey, what strain of Homer is that? Do you know?
Yeah, Wembley.
Wembley?
Yeah, Tom Wembley.
Tom Wembley.
Yeah.
You have any hens that you want to get rid of?
I don't. I just have, what, 3 pair, 2 pair, and 2 babies. I use the babies.
Is that all right if I look around? See?
Yeah, go ahead, look around. Check things out. Yeah. I'm looking for a bird.
Looking for a bird. You got plenty of them.
There's a few. There's a couple. In here. Where the heck did he go? Did he get in here? Shit.
Hey, Steve, you don't have like a year or two old lavender. There's breeding cages. Dead bird.
that's why he has his breed.
What's in here?
That's why his breeders.
You got a door. This is the gentleman's breeders. You like any of these, Jay? Yeah, he's about to fly his birds now.
Oh. It's ringing.
Good thing I remembered that. Yeah, I literally would have been out because I've only got like.
I'm all set, Steve. Thank you.
Probably the best bird here.
Here's the story, though, Steve. I'm taking one of these chairs with me.
That's nice. Yeah. Those are old. Very, very old. Yeah. They're fit, Jack. They're fit. All right, we'll put them up there. Somebody might want them later. Maybe not. Wow. That's bumming me out. So you keep around while ready to let them out? Not that one on the chair.
Johnny, you're right back.
Go ahead and throw that thing out.
Give it to the hawk. Hawk will eat it.
From Canada.
Did you find it, Paul? Did you find your
This
phone?
is old bloodhound. Ruff, ruff.
Yeah, where's the hawk? Oh, I want to go back.
I took my jacket off. I hadn't chopped the jacket and then laid it over the fence by the garden.
That's what I'm about to do. Make a kit box out of one of those. I was going to throw a top around it, and I got a piece of fiberglass for the roof.
I have one like just like that.
No, not for a kit box, but when I make my other coop, I'm gonna. I like his coop a lot.
Dad.
Tony's got a real nice coop. I can't wait to see Paul's. I know Paul's gonna. I know he's gonna have. Where's his hawk?
Oh, it's in that garage. Don't go in there and take your freaking head off. You.
Really?
Oh.
Ready, guys? They're gonna go. That's probably about
Okay. Steve's about to fly his birds.
We're going to call time in, Steve, when you're ready.
That's such a shit thing that Fergus said, didn't he?
It's,
He usually does bounce. No bounce. Come on, guys, let's go.
I'm gonna keep my eye on that bald head lav.
If he hits me in the head, I'm through.
There it is right there.
Everybody's out, right?
Yep.
There we go. You holler when you want them on, Steve. You got 5 minutes. Go. On. You want them on? Yep. Start your timer. They are on.
There's that lavender in the back. Yeah, that's got good potential.
Have you seen the ending though? Where Jason got, because Jason got wet in the sewer.
All right, I'll go down. You might see a couple roll.
The game starts in 3, 2, 1. Finish the juice. Everybody look at me!
just, get her up on the truck.
Hey, look at the bird.
Everybody look at me again!
There's a lot of this shortness happening, but nothing really.
Who's shaking the car? Shake the car, guys. Ah!
There are some old, there's a strawberry that's old.
Really?
This old, how many's old up there?
You don't score just one roll?
No. 11 good kittens do.
There's a red up there that's
But,
a very
anything that's
infrequent,
20,
a red check.
17,
Yeah,
20.
when I say old, last year's bird.
Oh, really? I didn't know that.
Yeah, there's 2 or 3.
Wait, I'm going to set the car. And so,
Most
I'm
of them,
going to
oh
the
yeah.
clutch. I'm going to, when I say go, you
I
go.
wish I flew
The black one
today.
that's going over, he's this year's. All the blacks are this year's. There's only 2.
What bus I
There's
can
one, that blue check is a
Not
South
yet.
African from Joe.
This is locked.
You missed that black,
I don't-
see him go?
With that little weapon in your cup.
That's the one that had ass canker. Yeah, I popped it out, stuck it back in.
3, 2, 1, shoot!
Okay. I never treated him for the canker, right? I thought it was just, I sent it away for the Tony Stretch, but it hasn't come.
My turn. I'll go inside.
That's like that, sorry, ass, right? That's a newbie. That's a youngster just learning. I flew that one mother in the 11 bird fly. Yeah, that's mother's in there.
Almost Aaron's turn!
Yeah, it's too bad. We need these birds need a few more months.
Well, now you're going to lock them down, so you have them for next year.
That's over.
We said about the last one we told them to lock down. What are these people? I don't know. They got.
Under the year before, right?
That
We'll make it time.
I got it.
All right, you guys settle down a little bit. 1 minute, okay? So the birds come down. Hey, are you listening? No. Yeah, take over. Come on.
Are you like the
Thank
babysitter
you.
in the neighborhood or what?
I'm the babysitter now.
Okay, it's my turn. My turn. Close the door.
The little ones, it started because the little ones, I don't know the grand opener. So he told me one day, he says, I'm doing better. Because I told him, you're going to do better at something.
Oh yeah, I remember you telling me that. Poor Steve's truck.
3, 2, 1, don't jump.
Hey Steve, what's the matter with the truck?
What's the matter?
What's the matter with the truck?
Training.
Train?
Training. Yeah.
You're gonna put a training in it?
No, I'm going to get rid of it, I think.
5 minutes in. 5 minutes in.
Yeah.
Well, Steve's 5 minutes in right now.
I wouldn't get all that stuff out of there, but
What? Mama did. Oh, Mama fell. Hi.
Hey Jay, you want to take a quick walk over there? Huh? All right. Let me just.
What?
Look at my feet straight.
No. So you said no. We can't do that with our feet.
See the black one spin good, Tony?
Yeah, I went into a nice tight ball.
Yeah, that black one.
My turn.
They go when they want to like that.
It's almost time.
There's the South
Come on.
African. Right there.
Everyone has to put stuff on. Like,
he's
hold on.
getting
Mom
better.
do. Are you finished with
Joe,
your
that
ball?
blue check is from you. That one up there. That's, you said it's half